Welcome to the July 2024 Real Estate Marketing Vault walkthrough, where I'm going to show you everything that we are dropping for the month of July. Now, if you are new to the Real Estate Marketing Vault, then you are missing out if you're not a part of this membership. We are super excited. Every month on the first of the month, we drop brand new content, and I put out one of these videos just to walk you through everything that we have added, why we added it, and what you can do with it. So let's dive right in, because I am so excited to be adding Facebook ads trainings to the Vault. If you've been watching all of the different Vault video drops that we've been putting out there, you know that we're keeping it fresh. We're keeping things just very much actionable, right? Things that you can take action on in your real estate business. So for the Facebook ads, we have a series of 5 different videos, and they're broken down into understanding the Facebook ads lingo, understanding how to set up your Metapixel, understanding how to create an ad from scratch. So I go over step by step, and I show you exactly what you need to do to create an ad to generate leads with Facebook ads. We also go through talking about the difference between paid advertising and organic, and whether or not you need one, the other, or both for your particular situation, and how to decide that. And then we also have a video on the actual budgeting formula, right? Like how to come up with how much you should spend on your ad, because $1 a day is not going to cut it. But we also don't want you to blow your entire budget. So we break all of that down inside of the Vault. And then we didn't just want you to know how to run Facebook ads. We wanted you to be able to run the ads yourselves without, little to no work. So we created 3 different template packs for you, ranging from just listed, for sale, and newly price reduced posts that you can customize for your brand. Go ahead and add your logo in there. We have a market report version with 3 different types here, which will make sense in just a moment when I talk about our market report lead magnet. And then we have some branded templates here, which honestly, I love how these came out. There's space for the logo. They're fully customizable, and you can run these over and over and over again. Now, diving into the next section, right? Because this is all about Facebook ads, right? Next up is the training, lead generation, and marketing section. So for the training, we added a lead magnets 101, because we actually have quite a few different lead magnets inside of the Vault, right? The thing you need to understand about the Real Estate Marketing Vault is that you're not just getting this drop. You also are getting access to all of the previous drops from the time that we have created the Vault. So in the other area, which I won't show on this video, we'll do that in a different video, you can access all the other lead magnets, right? But we have a training on lead magnets, exactly what to do with them. And then we also have a brand new lead magnet that we created for this month, which is the Real Estate Market Report. And one of the reasons I'm so excited about this market report is because it's done for you. Like, I actually went through and wrote the copy, created pretty much all the content that you need for it. All you really need to do is adjust some of the sentences to be specific to what's going on in your market, and fill in some of the areas like the just listed homes, the just sold homes areas. And if you want to fill out vendors you should know, right, putting QR codes in there to fill those out, putting current events and things like that. But that's pretty much it. It is locked and loaded, ready to go. And the beauty of this is that you can send this out every quarter, and it's relevant to buyers and sellers, and not just hot buyers and sellers, right? It's anyone who is interested in learning more about this particular market, right? And that is one of the things that I love most about it. It's such a universal lead magnet. Now, we didn't want to just leave you with the lead magnet, right? Because what if you really want to execute on this? So we've also provided a quarterly market report e-blast, right? So you're going to be able to deliver this lead magnet with that particular e-blast, right? So they'll click on that button and they'll be able to get it. And you can set this up with your CRM, right? And then we also included 3 different postcards. So we have option 1, option 2, and option 3. Now, the beauty of these three different options is that they have different backsides on them. And so you'll be able to access those when you're inside of the vault, right? So like one of them is actually a fill-in card. So instead of sending this via every door direct mail, right, EDDM marketing, instead of sending it through there, you can actually just fill this out custom for a particular homeowner that you spoke with, and do it that way. Or you can use EDDM marketing to send out one of these two postcards, and they're fully customizable through Canva. The next thing is the flyer that we created, which is great if you're door knocking or just kind of doing some like local outreach. You can pass this out. It not only promotes just listed or just sold properties, but it also promotes the fact that you are a local professional, and you can drop your QR code there so people can access that market report, right? And then we also have a social post, so that way you can go ahead and promote that on social media as well, separate from the Facebook ad that we provided, right? Those templates. Now, going down to our social media section, where we do provide you with done for you content each month, we did another round of carousel posts. So folks, we are passing the 50 mark for carousel posts, and I just want to highlight, I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but I want to highlight some of my favorite carousel posts for this month. So the first one is, what actually happens if you sell your home for less than you owe on the mortgage? And we went through and we broke all of that down, and it's written for you. You don't have to change anything. You just have to drag and drop your photo and put your business name if you want. The next one that is my favorite is, can I avoid capital gains tax by buying a new home after selling mine? And so this discusses 1031 exchanges. And again, everything's written for you. I wrote it myself. And then the third one that is a favorite of mine is, do I have to list my home for sale with my real estate friend? I feel like that's such a controversial topic, but we answered it. So if you're a Vault member, you'll see what the answer is. And hopefully you agree and you go ahead and you post that as is. And then a fourth favorite is, true or false, if the first buyer's offer is good, I should increase my listing price. We've all seen this go down with our sellers. It happens. And so we break down why this is a bad idea, right? Now, moving on from the carousels section, which is done for you content, we have new home ownership affirmations. So going over to that, we gave you 10 of them to start with, and we will be adding more. And these are just a positive way to show up on social media when you don't feel like, putting your face on camera or putting out a piece of educational content or entertaining content. It's a way to show up, right? So we don't recommend posting these in your Instagram stories back to back, of course, right? It's more so filler content. Then we have our editable evergreen reels, right? So each month we've actually been providing you with evergreen reels that you can use in your business. One of them is the homeownership affirmations, right? So we've got some movement going on in here. And you can combine these with videos from your own listings or behind the scenes videos of yourself staging a home or anything like that. Then the next two we had fun with. I've always wanted to do this type of reel, which is, how much will my home cost? And I feel like this is such a great reel for an agent or broker to collaborate with a lender on, to go over like the down payment options, the closing cost estimates, the monthly mortgage potential, right? And to really go into the nitty gritty inside of the caption. And the beauty of this is that you can use this over and over and over again for so many different properties, including listings that are not even yours, right? Including hypothetical listings, right? Just putting out list prices there and like what it looks like if you do a down payment of this versus a down payment of that. Then we have a different version of this reel where, the MO here is to promote a new listing or a home that's been for sale and entice people to schedule a showing, right? So we're showcasing the list price, the taxes, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms. And again, this is fully customizable, so you can go ahead and edit this to your liking. So that is the July drop in a nutshell. And remember, we have so much for you to access inside of the vault, not just the drops, right? We have a variety of different marketing templates. We have a variety of different productivity tools that you can access. We have an entire course breaking down how to launch or revamp your real estate business, ranging from where to start, to getting your systems in place, to getting your skills built, right? From here, we also have a skills building area, right? Skills based trainings where we go over the power of email marketing. We cover things like fire flyer strategies. We have full training on how to revamp a stale listing. We even have an entire ManyChat series where we go over how to get started with ManyChat, the funnel framework, and how to actually get your funnel set up. So if you haven't already, go ahead and access the Real Estate Marketing Vault. You will not regret it. There's so much value jam packed into here, and all you have to do is sign up and you'll get instant access. So go to the description and the link in this video and you'll be able to sign up there. Or if you're on the sign up page right now, just hit that button and sign up. I don't know what you're waiting for. I'll see you inside.